Whoa, now. Amigo, so then. Whoa, now. Amigo, so then. Whoa, now. Amigo, so then. Enter me gates round 9. Girl, you looking pretty and you know you're so fine. What you doing to me is just like wine. Getting much sweeter as we pass by the time. Who look at me when me looking at me bedroom eyes? And you want me slowly rub me on me thighs. Oh, give me the rug, give me the morning.
Oh yeah.
That's a good one?
Get the gas ready.
Here, can I gas it?
It's an ONO. Roll it. This one's coming in fast. It's going out.
Wait, can I gas it?
Here, bring me up.
Never mind.
Hey, shit.
Oh crap! Wait, so it's 2?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, dude, look at that!
Wait. Get the.
Should I stop the engine?
Oh, fucker, falling. Put the motor in neutral. Take video out. Give me the gear.
What's that?
Shoot about straight. Straight. Shoot about straight.
Okay.
Shoot about straight.
I am.
Shoot about straight.
Oh, you see that thing? Told you.
Here, really.
Oh, it's ONO.
Get this one.
Oh,
Hold it.
gas it. I'll gas it. Oh, double. Oh.
That's not bad, Alex.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah.
Mahi. Oh. No, that's ONO. Oh. Did you gas it? Yeah, we got one. Oh crap, now we got another one. Come on, we got double. Oh.
Take video.
Oh, look at that. And we got another one.
Watch out.
Oh, pointy things.
Watch out, hey guys.
Oh.
Watch out.
Not fish.
Oh! Drive the boat straight. Never mind. Get them in. That was a little too far out. Oh, beautiful. Hook up. You know how to choose the lures, bro. I know how to choose the lures. Wow, that's exciting, man. Oh, bro. All right. Up. Oh, call your daddy. Double up. Throw him back. Watch out. All right, bro. Oh. We hook up right out here. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Right over there.
Oh.
Rushing around this bugger. Watch out.
His eye.
Oh, brother. Oh.